Can't be too tall out here. Yeah. And then this is your closet.
Little bit strange, yeah. I try make a normal house, but it's not normal.
No, it's really, the ceiling is very short.
Yeah, I make like USA, drywall.
Yes.
I try, but it's so strange.
Yeah, yeah.
And it's not the most strange house I live in Favela.
You don't need to go to the shopping mall. You got everything right there. Yeah. Wow.
People here like a lot more.
Yeah.
Famous brands.
Yeah. Oh, they like brands.
Yeah, they like brands.
It's different. When I arrive here, I make a cash in my house. What? Sometimes the people have one house with one room, like we speak before.
Yeah.
One room, one bedroom together, but
Yeah.
expensive clothes.
Wow.
Golden necklace.
Yes.
Water? Water?
Sure, yes, yes. They don't need to go anywhere. Everything is here.
They even have waterfalls here.
Waterfall?
Yeah.
Where?
I don't know where, but they have.
They have it here?
Yeah.
Man, they really have everything.
And there is a beach right up front.
Yeah.
Off the favela.
Oh, yeah, right down there.
Yeah.
Yeah. They have a beach, they have a waterfall, they have stores, beauty salon. Life is in fact very simple, you know? We like to think we need more, like bigger, nicer, but sometimes it's not about what you have, but how do you feel in your heart? And if you're happy in your community, you're good. Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you. So guys, we continue this walk. She hooked us up with some water because I'm burning calories right now. Nice little bar. So we're at the barbershop now. Hey Paul, you can get your hair done right here.
No, you will make it happen. You will make it happen. Wow.
That's funny.
Não tem aí, Roger, um tempinho pra fazer o cabelo dele? Pra ele voltar para os Estados Unidos com o disfarçadinho aqui, ó, fazer uma listrinha.
Oh no, I got no hair.
Oh, yeah.
How you doing, bro? Hey, nice to meet you.
You make We will make a letter.
A line?
A letter.
Yeah.
A letter.
Oh, a letter?
Sim, Rocinha.
Rocinha.
Oh, I think you stopped.
Oh no, it's still working.
Okay.
Yeah, it's still working. Yeah.
Look, você pode continuar, porque a gente já tá. They make a lot.
Oh yeah.
Fala pra ele que eles fazem muita ação social, Paulo. Que eles fazem muita ação social.
Different people on the walls.
São os guerreiros do corte. Tenta traduzir pra ele em inglês, guerreiros do corte.
Oh, they are the cut warriors.
Oh, okay.
They call themselves.
They call themselves the warriors, huh?
Where is my picture? Onde está minha foto? Eu falo aqui.
Cadê a Amanda?
Where is
É difícil de achar, mas se não achar é porque tá
They do a lot of philanthropy work
Yeah.
with poor people.
Nice.
Tem os olhos?
Tem real.
These are the photos of the people that they.
They cut. Yeah. It's a very busy shop.
Sério, vocês me taparam. Como vocês tiveram coragem?
Tem muita gente.
Onde tem foto aqui do alimento? Ali em cima, né?
Yeah. Well, your picture is here?
They making works to give food poor people, to poor people.
Oh, they give food to poor people. Okay.
And make hair from poor people, hair to kids,
Yeah.
dance. I'm here! Achei, eu tô aqui. Vocês não me taparam.
No, I'm good.
You don't give him hair.
No, I have no hair.
But he has hair for you. He will give hair for you.
And cut it.
You have hair.
No, I'm good.
Secret name, black.
Oh, and then Rocinha right there.
Yeah. Nice. He can make the favela here.
Yeah.
No?
No, I'm good. I'm good. What is the name of this shop? The name of the shop?
Guerreiros do Corte. Here. The name.
Oh, okay. All right. So I wanted to Guerreiros the Court.
Repeat, please.
Guerreiros. Guerreiros the Court. They're making fun of my Portuguese.
GDC barbershop.
GDC. Okay. GDC. Barbershop. All right. So I don't mess up my pronunciation. GDC. So this is a nice shop, guys. So how much is a haircut? Yeah. It depends on what you get.
There's 25 reais, 30 reais.
It's very cheap. You should do your hair here.
I'm doing tomorrow.
Huh?
I'm doing tomorrow.
I'm just thinking, when you have a barber, you like to stick with them. Because they know your head and they know everything, yeah? When you want, you have to explain, you have to do this.
Porque aqui os trabalhadores são informais. Aqui não é necessariamente assim o dia, o início do mês que as pessoas recebem que lota. É quando tem evento, como os trabalhadores são maioria informal aqui, eu acho que são maioria, ou metade pelo menos são informais na Rocinha. Ele não recebe necessariamente no início.
So guys, this is the neighborhood barbershop. There's a few of them, but I wanted to show you guys one of them. Okay, so depending on what you get, and it ranges from $5 up, you know?
Não, os 3 meninos numa sexta-feira que
Thanks, man. See you next time. All right, we'll do. Thanks, man. Next time. All right. Thank you. Ciao. Ciao. GDC. That's where you want to come in and get your hair cut. GDC. All right, you got the key?
Let's see my house. Yeah, I get. We can walk in or you can get the motorcycle.
Motorcycle.
Yeah.
I like those motorcycles now. I like them now.
You like?
Yeah.
What?
So, guys, we're heading to a house now, so we can see what it looks like.
You use your camera mode.
Turn it off?
Just really enter to my house.
Okay.
Okay?
So we're gonna go some bad neighborhoods. So I'm gonna turn this off right now. So catch you guys in a bit. So guys, I couldn't really film outside because people are conducting serious business out there. So gotta respect the businessman. So now we are in the house. So you walk right in, and this is like the kitchen, right? You have a bathroom here.
Yeah, look, when I buy this house, she's not like it.
Yes.
She's a lot different.
Yes.
This house is more strange before.
Yeah.
It's okay, it's normal, yeah?
Yeah.
But when we went this,
Oh.
one good friend gave me it.
Nice Nike shoes there. Wow.
One big friend gave me it.
Oh, these are the different shoes she has. Look at these.
In Favela, don't have a lot window. The window don't have. We don't have a lot of R in the house.
Yes.
My Julia não, I come. She passed. Eu acho que ela passou criolina ali na frente. Tá sentindo? So, it's not for... Nós não vamos para cima aqui, a gente vai para debaixo da terra. Oh, my key.
Oh, it's the chicken?
Because I closed my room.
Okay. You got it? I'll follow you. That's okay?
Obrigada.
So it's good to see, you know, how people live here. So the floor is all tile, which is good because it's really warm outside. So I'm sure that provides a good balance with the temperatures. As opposed to carpet.
Look, this is my room. My room is more big than a lot of house in Favela.
Really?
Yeah. I make a reformation, but before,
yes,
it's a lot strange. Eu achei cruzeiro
so
quando
this
eu
is
quebrei a parede desse banheiro.
the half bath.
Quando eu quebrei a parede, caiu cruzeiro.
This is the half bath.
A minha, o meu quarto é muito maior.
This is the bedroom.
Oh,
this is where she used to be.
Little.
Okay, this is the bedroom. And you can't be too tall out here. And then this is your closet.
Little bit strange, yeah. I try make a normal house, but it's not normal.
No, it's really, the ceiling is very short.
I make like USA drywall.
Yes.
I try, but it's so strange.
Yeah, yeah.
And it's not the most strange house I live in Favela.
This is actually bigger.
Before, primeiro eu morei numa casa aqui que não tinha caixa d'água, só tinha água se caísse água da rua. E caía água da rua 3 vezes por semana. Eu vivia comprando galão.
She lived the first house that she lived here.
Yeah.
She didn't have water. She had to wait for the
rain.
water from the street to fall, and it was like 3 times in a week.
Yeah.
You would get water from the street?
Yeah. But here, no. Here I have...
She had to buy gallons and gallons of water.
Yeah.
Man. So guys, this is...
It is a space... here I have water.
Yeah.
This is a surprise even for me.
Yeah.
This is a surprise even for me.
It's not just my house.
You're learning too, just like
Yeah.
So
here, but my house is different. Here I have water. You can buy my house, okay?
Oh yeah, let me jump on that.
Here I have water. Here I have water. I have one. Eu tenho uma caixa d'água lá em cima.
But she has a barrel, right, of water. Okay, so you have a big barrel of water.
Today she has in this house.
In this house.
In this house.
In the first one,
house,
she didn't have.
But there's no plumbing. You cannot turn the water on.
I don't have water.
No.
Many people in Favela don't have water every day.
Yeah. So when you shower.
My house is a lot comfort. My house is big. It's comfortable.
No. I'm sure this is not the smallest house in here.
No.
I'm pretty sure. And it's because we are taller that we have a hard time with the ceilings, you know, guys.
I go to house before.
I can't stand here, you know?
Before, I have a house, I see house in Rocinha more little than this part.
Just the whole house is smaller than this room right here. Yeah, because this is your closet, and the closet is very big. Guys, this is bigger than most people walk-in closets.
Yeah.
You know, this is big.
Yeah,
okay.
I make it. Before it's just a room.
Yeah.
And now I have my clothes, my room,
all right.
Here is closer to shoes.
And you have very nice tile here. I like the tile a lot.
Before this house is so different.
Wow, and it keeps going.
Yeah. This part I don't make it.